Now, why YouTube? Let's talk about that for a second. Here is a fun fact that people don't know, that YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. Google, of course, is number one, but here's the thing, if you didn't know, Google actually owns YouTube. So if you get traffic from YouTube, you can also get traffic from Google. Latest statistic on YouTube users is 1.8 billion people have accounts on YouTube, and that number is just growing. So I hope that these numbers really open your eyes and you can start to see throughout this course that there is tons of opportunity, especially if you have a niche like cosplay, comic books, you're an artist. So there's definitely a lot of room in that space. So the quickest way to passive income on YouTube, we're going to cover a couple principles here that you need to understand as we go through this course, and that is the best type of traffic on the internet is not paid traffic, it's not social media traffic, it's actually search traffic. So the best type of traffic is search traffic. Search traffic is the best type of traffic. Well, what does that mean? Well, here we go. Usually a lot of people on YouTube, they go to YouTube to search for questions like, what is the best EVA glue to use, or glue to use for EVA foam? What is the best quesadilla recipe? What is the best car to drive that gets the best gas mileage, etc. So your goal during this course is we want to come up with ideas that will serve people searching online, and you'll be there with the information. Why is this so powerful and so effective? Just keep in mind that people searching online are ready to buy. They're already in a buying mindset. You really don't have to hard sell anyone. So let's take, for instance, someone wants to buy a 4K TV. Before you make a large purchase like that, you're probably going to want to read some reviews. You're probably going to watch a couple videos on a product, maybe a couple different, maybe an LG TV versus a Samsung, a Panasonic, and just going to look for some video ideas and some reviews and some tips to help you make a more informed decision on what TV to buy. And with that, one of the things that makes this successful is you want to be ready to offer solutions to people's problems. So how do you make chocolate chip cookies? How do you tie a knot? People are looking for solutions and answers to their questions, and you want to be on the other side of that search. And with that, you want to make sure that we are ready to serve the exact information that someone's looking for. I mean, how many times have you tried to search what is the best self-help book? You come to a video that you think is going to be very helpful, and then when you open the video up 3 minutes in, they're talking about their grandma, they're talking about, you know, like how they tie their shoes and stuff like that, and just relative information. I mean, you click off of that video, right? You give it a couple seconds, you turn it off, you're really not interested, because that video, that person isn't serving the exact information that you're looking for. And just keep in mind that as we go through this, these principles work whether you're an individual, they work whether you're a business, and they work to grow your brand. So it really doesn't matter. As long anyone can use this, anyone, it serves anyone. So let's jump in and I'll tell you what we're going to talk about.